Intensive practice 4.2, question 8. Diagram on the right shows a right angle triangle. Okay. Determine the value of tangent x. Right. So if this is our right angle triangle, this is our theta. This will be opposite. And then this will be the longest side. This will be the hypotenuse. And this will be our adjacent. Since it's touching the angle, this is adjacent. Okay, one more way to determine the hypotenuse is it will always be the opposite of the 90. Right. So if you want to find tangent x, tangent x will be opposite over adjacent. So opposite is this, 3 plus Z2, and our adjacent is 1 plus 2Z2. Okay, but they want us to give us in this form. Basically, they want us to rationalize it. So rationalize means denominator cannot have Z. So to get rid of the Z, we have to multiply with the conjugate of this. Conjugate means if this is 1 plus 2Z2, conjugate will be 1 minus 2Z2. Then on top also you must times the same thing. Right, let's expand. So this times this is 3. This times this will be negative 6Z2. So negative 6Z2. This times this will be Z2. Negative 2. And then Z2 times Z2 is just 2. Okay, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. And then the Z2 times Z2 will give us 2. Right. Then bottom here, we can use the shortcut. So shortcut to expand conjugates, I've already explained in the past few videos. Basically, you just do 1 times 1. And then you do it this times this. So you don't have to expand fully because when you expand fully, it will cancel off. So you just do this times this and then this times this. So here we have 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And then Z2 times Z2 is just 2. Right. So on top we have 3 minus 4, which is negative 1. Negative 6Z2 plus 1Z2. So negative 6 oranges plus 1 orange, we get negative 5 oranges. Okay, denominator is 1 minus 8. 1 minus 8 is negative 7. Okay, since all also got negative, we can divide everything by negative. So we get 1 plus 5Z2 over 7. Done. This will be our tangent x. We did give it in this formula. Right, let's look at B. So B, they want us to find the area of this triangle. Okay, so area of triangle is 1 over 2 base times height. So if this is our hypotenuse, this will be our base and height. So 1 over 2 times 3 plus Z2 times 1 plus 2Z2. Then we expand. Okay, the 1 over 2 we leave it outside first. No need to expand this. We expand the brackets. So 3 times 1 is 3. And then 3 times this will be 6Z2. Then this will be Z2. And then this will be 2 times Z2 times Z2 is just 2. So here we have 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then 6 Z2 plus 1 Z2. So 6 oranges plus an orange, we get 7 oranges. So if we expand the 1 over 2 inside, we get 7 over 2 plus 7 Z2 over 2. Or, since they want it in a single fraction like this, we can just do 7 plus 7 Z2 whole thing over 2. Done. That's it.